Alan, you briefly mentioned YouTube certification or YouTube certified. What is that, and is it useful for any creator to have, or is it something maybe a little more specialized?
It's still publicly accessible. The YouTube certification has now been retired, but the academy, the YouTube Academy program, allows you to go through and have a look at the documentation. There's 3 qualifications. It's monetization, it's content ID, and it's growth, if I remember correctly. You needed all 3 of them to become individually qualified, or you could have all 3 and like dedicate it to a company, and then the company could be YouTube certified. I feel that if you're looking through it, you will learn a lot about the basis of YouTube. If you're serious about YouTube, about every fine detail, then it will teach you the fine details. Now, do you need it to start a YouTube channel? No. Do you need it to run a YouTube channel? No. Do you need it to be successful? No. But I'm one of those people that if I'm going to do something, I make sure that I do it properly. I learn it properly. I ingest everything I can, even outlying information that I can then twist into or understand why it's not this and why it is that. The certification for me helped me establish a reputation when it existed, and it leans on trust, really. So many people out there can claim to be anything. I could all of a sudden decide to be a life coach tomorrow, and I could spout about everything that I've been through in my life, but that doesn't necessarily mean that I'm qualified. That doesn't necessarily mean that I've got the research and the knowledge behind it. Now, that's why if you're going to learn from someone, you learn from someone that is doing it, has done it, and is or educated in it. The reason for that is that then you know that you're getting the best knowledge from it. Now, if you want to follow someone, that's perfectly fine. On my second channel, I flat out tell people I'm a crypto rookie. I know nothing. This is me documenting what I do. You can follow me with my journey, my successes and my failures, right? And you can come along with the ride. But that's not where I would sell advice, because I don't feel comfortable enough to sell advice as a rookie, right? So if you're in your business educated in the thing that you are doing, then it kind of lends a little bit of respect, a little bit of understanding. Plus other people in the industry that has also done that qualification may appreciate the knowledge that you may have alongside it. So do you need it to be successful? No. Could it be helpful? Yes. It's free to do, right? But you don't necessarily need it. Just learn the basics, learn the best practices, and that will help carry your channel forward.